let's learn this formation today. I don't know what to call it. It's just a 3-hoop sequence for now. I'm going to take both of my green hoops on my shoulders and my white, golden, taped, broken, battered, but super strong in the spirit is right here with me. So I'm going to keep it on top and I'm going to take my right hand like this and be ready for all the blessings of the 3 hoops. Yeah. So we're going to hold the hoop right in front like this. Okay. So remember, your hands will come out and then go here, touch the feet for the blessings. Yeah, let's call this the feet of the hoop just for fun. And then you hold it here and we take one step forward, bring the hoop together and open up. Okay, that's first. Then in the second part, we drop the hoop here. Then we swing 1, 2, 3, go up and back to your position. Then we flip the hoop back and come back to the starting position. After this, we just open up like a butterfly or an eagle. And if you want to make it more dramatic, then take 2 more hoops, okay? And just hold them tight. And from here, we can just go 1, 2, 3, and enter our eagle face. So from here, you can just take it around, have some fun, like this, bring it together, out. Anyway, they're all different sizes, but we managed it somehow. So that's what you can do with 3-hoop formation. This was something that I just taught one of my students today for a choreography that we are doing with Sapphire and Shireen. It's a song because she loves that song. And yeah, let's see how it comes out to be. She's performing on this 12th or 13th. I'm super excited for that. But yeah, I hope to see some of you also trying it out, you know. And super simple. I'm just going to flow with it without instructions in this one for you to see. Alright, so that was a quick 3-hoop sequence which you can try. If you want me to break this down more, maybe I can do it in the next video. But for now, let's see how many of you can just try it from this and see if you're able to get it. Yeah, do let me know in the comment sections. Happy hooping!